Many people believe in superstitions without thinking. Such beliefs can hurt innocent people.
Today's story, The Unlucky Face, shows why we must use reason instead of blind belief.
The unlucky face.
Once upon a time in Delhi, there was a merchant called Hirachand.
Hirachand, how many times have I told you not to come out early in the morning? Shouted Sundar. Why? What happened? Asked Hirachand, puzzled. Yesterday, my brother saw your face early in the morning and fell ill. He couldn't eat anything throughout the day. How am I responsible for that? Aren't you? Wait, I will complain to the king. What for? To ask the king to order you not to show your face to people early in the morning. There lived a merchant called Hirachand in Delhi. It was said that anyone who saw his face early in the morning would not eat anything that day. Akbar heard about Hirachand. Akbar wanted to know the truth. One day, when Akbar was on his way to the dining room, Hirachand was brought to him. At the same time, a messenger came.
Your Majesty, urgent news. The Queen has taken ill and her condition is worsening rapidly.
He spent the whole morning with his sick wife. When he returned to the dining room, his meal was cold.
This food is cold. Remove this feast and prepare it again immediately.
He ordered a fresh meal. Meanwhile, Akbar began to feel ill. The royal doctor was called for.
Rest and not to eat anything for a day.
But I haven't eaten anything yet.
Whose face did you see this morning?
I have seen the face of Hirachand.
You don't know that who saw his face, they don't get food for a whole day?
Immediately put him in jail, put him to death, because he made me suffer.
This news reached Hirachand. He was shocked that he had been punished. He fell at the emperor's feet and
Reconsider your
begged for
punishment,
mercy.
Your Majesty. I
But
beg for
Akbar
your
would
mercy.
not listen.
Please do not do this.
The guard was summoned and Hirachand was immediately dragged off to the prison.
Please let me leave. I beg you, just let me go.
Poor Hirachand wailed aloud in the prison. The guard took pity on him.
Let me go home.
Suddenly, the guard had an idea.
Let us call Birbal. He only can save you in this world.
Hirachand told Birbal what had happened. Birbal said, "Do what I tell you." It was time for Hirachand to be hanged. The executioner asked him his last wish. "I would like to see the emperor," said Hirachand. When Akbar came,
Your Majesty, is it true that you saw my face and did not eat anything for the day?
Yes, Hirachand. I saw your face that morning.
I fell ill. Your Majesty, my fate is worse than yours. That morning I saw your face. I have to face this now.
Someone has taught you to say this, said Akbar. Hira Chand said, I don't know anyone here. But you did not think of this plan yourself, did you? Asked Akbar. You must have met Birbal. Hira Chand agreed that he had met Birbal. Birbal has saved me from killing an innocent man, said Akbar, and sent Hira Chand away with gifts.
Remember, wisdom and justice are stronger than superstition.